Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. John Belkowitz, and we're here to talk about concrete, which is neat, from my head down to my feet. We got Q&A day today. We've got some amazing questions from all over the globe. Thank you very much, folks. The first one is from Flem. Ding! Flem asks, hi, I'm trying to correlate water cementitious ratio using what we have here in Guatemala. Two kinds of cement, a 5800 and a 4060 cements. I'm getting 4500 psi with a water cementitious ratio of 0.64 with 5800 cement. I follow your channel and Tyler's channel, and you're always on about a 0.48 plus or minus water reducer. Is this because you're using a different cement? Flem, thank you for the question, and I'm not going to answer your question directly, and it's not because you're not a nice person. I'm sure you're awesome, but I don't subscribe to one type of water cementitious ratio, water to binder ratio, or even water cement ratio. It all depends on, as you said, the cement you're using, the supplementary cementitious material, the alternative supplementary cementitious materials, the admixtures, the strength, the durability aspect, and of course, what kind of concrete structure are we using? Is it a residential driveway or is it a federal bank vault? So 0.48 I might have used for a very specific situation or a very specific type of mix, but it's not necessarily something I choose for all mix. I lay that dependent on, as I said before, those different parameters. So hopefully I asked your question. Yes, it is about different cements, but it goes much more into that. A great place to start is ACI 211, where you go into this standard guideline for making normal weight concrete with, what type of structure. Okay, so I'm doing a slab, so I have a maximum 3-inch, minimum 1-inch slump, and then from there my next table is, what's my maximum size aggregate, what type of freestyle durability do I need, air entrained versus non-entrained, air entrained, do I have rounded rock versus crushed rock, and then from there I find my water content based off of all that information in the next table, based off of the strength that you'll need. And if you don't have that strength, you can look that up into required strengths, but it gives you the ACI 211, I believe it's table 6.2.2.3, sounds something like that. It gives you 1000 psi increments and the water cementitious ratio associated with that, or water cement ratio associated with that, and it breaks it up versus air and non-air entrained. So I think that's a better place for you to start to get you your answers. Let me know if you get any questions, any other concrete concerns. Have an awesome day. Go concrete! Beat asphalt!